Hey everybody, happy Friday. I'm Walt Cameron.
And I'm Stephanie Cameron.
And we are the publishers of Edible New Mexico magazine. And welcome to episode 41 of the 5 Minute Friday. This week we're heading to Ihatov Bakery in Nobhill. We're picking up flour at Valencia Flour Mill. And we're frying up sopapillas. But first, we're going to do this. Okay, that's right there.
That's giant biscuits.
Oh, they're good. Rolling. Okay, so we are at Ihatov, which is right here in Nobhill. It's a bakery and coffee shop, and they've got some amazing looking pastries. And I can't wait to try this cinnamon roll right here. Oh, that's really good. Got nuts and berries and all kinds of stuff in there. That's really good. Now, I'm gonna try this biscuit. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh.
That was a big bite.
That's really good. It had just a touch of sweetness to it. And it's nice and crunchy on the outside and real cakey on the inside. That's really good. Ihatov, Nobhill, come get your biscuit on.
We're getting ready to go to press with our spring issue, and we went down to Valencia Flour Mills in Herales, which is south of Albuquerque, about an hour, to do some photos of the folks there. And we picked up some of their fabulous products: blue corn meal, blue corn muffin and pancake mix, and their sopapilla mix, which we will be incorporating into our recipe this week. So the really cool thing is this is the only operating commercial mill in New Mexico, and they are milling all these great products. The sopapilla mix you'll find at multiple restaurants throughout the state. It's a premium recipe, and we're excited to try it.
We are going to be making some sopapillas. The cool thing about sopapillas here, one, is they were invented in Albuquerque, New Mexico about 200 years ago. I cannot neither confirm nor deny, but I do believe they were invented here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And it is a very quintessential New Mexican dish, or New Mexican fry bread. Basically, here in New Mexico, a lot of the dishes that you're served, instead of giving you tortillas, they give you sopapillas. So that's a New Mexican thing. So we are going to be using, like Steph said, the Valencia sopapilla mix. First, we start with 2 cups of the sopapilla mix. This is a mix, and it actually already has everything in it that you need to make your sopapillas. The baking powder is already in there. So I'm using a 1/2 cup because it's easier for this little tiny bag. So I need to do 4 of these, 4 1/2 cups to make 2 cups. Okay, so that is 2 cups of the sopapilla mix, 2/3 cup of water plus 1 tablespoon, and we're gonna just pour this into our mix. It's lukewarm water, yes. Stir that up. Just mix it in really nice. Now we're just gonna cover it, let it rest for half an hour, and we'll be back to fry up some sopapillas. Okay, so while our sopapillas are setting up, we are gonna go ahead and prepare some round steaks, some of these round steaks right here from Rancho de Mil Piedras. We're gonna fry them up real quick with just salt and pepper, and then we're going to let them marinate in a chili sauce. So some salt, some pepper. Put this one right on there. We are just browning these steaks. These are just basically little pieces of chopped round. Actually, these would be perfect for steak sandwiches. Ooh, maybe we'll have to do that one of these days. So now, putting my other steaks back in. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some Santa Fe Ole chili, right out of Santa Fe, New Mexico. Made with 100% hatch chili. Pour this over the top, just like this. Okay, so I put a little water in there. Shake that up to get the rest of that chili sauce out. There we go. Now I'm going to turn this down. And I'm going to get a lid, cover this with a lid. We're just going to let that simmer until we're done making the sopapillas. And then we're going to serve it all up and have deliciousness, New Mexican deliciousness. So our dough has been resting for about 30 minutes. We'll lay down a little bit of flour. That's a lot of flour. Okay, so I did a little much. Whatever. Whatever. There we go. Roll it out to about 1/8 of an inch. So now they're going to be 4-inch squares. So I think just cutting this in half, and then this is just going to go into thirds, right?
Yeah, these might be a little on the smaller side, but that's okay.
We have a little deep fryer here, but you can do this in a regular pan with about 3 inches of oil inside of a deep pan, something like that. Okay, you're just gonna want to lay this in. Whoa, no, just like so.
30 seconds.
And let it go for 30 seconds. That is a sopapilla. And then we just put it right here in our little basket. Look how pretty. That is the right color. Just put that in, just like so. There we go. This is one that Steph cut. If you look over here, that's what Steph cut. That's what I cut. Steph, Walt. Let's put in a Walt one. Look at that, all mangled. There we go. I kind of like doing this slotted spoon thing. Put them on the spoon and then just set it in there so you don't get any splash.
Don't use tongs.
Don't use tongs. Do not use tongs. First, I want to point out, this is what a sopapilla is supposed to look like. These two beautiful sopapillas. Those are perfect sopapillas. These are Steph sopapillas. This is a Walt sopapilla. Steph sopapilla, Walt sopapilla. So, anyway, it takes practice. You can, and you know what? These taste just as good. What do we do here in New Mexico? Well, a lot of people will maybe stuff their sopapilla. So I'm gonna do that right now. We've been marinating this steak, simmering this steak in chili. And so let's go ahead and pop that open. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty. And then we'll take some of this steak and we'll just put that right inside, just like so. And then we'll put some of this tomato, a bit of this lettuce. This is, generally I'd put a lot more, but yeah.
Don't have all day.
We don't have all day. Okay, stuffed sopapilla. That is real. These are really good sopapillas. Okay, so now the next thing we do, the other thing we do here in New Mexico is, and my kids love this, they loved it when they were little, is we eat these for dessert as well. Now, like I said, you can sprinkle them with some cinnamon and some powdered sugar, but one of the things that we always do at every New Mexican restaurant, you're gonna have honey. We're gonna be using Moses brand honey, and you can either tear it open and pour inside. Okay. Or you can do like I did growing up and just pour it right on the top, just like that. Sopapillas, quintessential New Mexican.
That's it for this week's episode. Be safe, be well, and be kind.